Assalamu alaikum scholars, you are listening to Ziaur Rahman. Today is lecture number 30 and it's part 9. Today's lecture is about organizational knowledge versus academic knowledge. In today's lecture we will brief you around 12 differences between the academic and organizational knowledge. So first we can talk about knowledge creation. Knowledge creation is the formation of new notions and concepts. When something is first time comes under the observation of humans, this is called knowledge creation. Any addition in the existing stock of body of knowledge is called knowledge creation. What is academic knowledge? The academic knowledge is learnt in the schools, colleges, universities, by the students from the teachers or professors. Academic knowledge is usually a theory or logic based purposeful knowledge. Academia is used, academia means schools, colleges and universities. Academia is used to describe work or a school, college or university that places emphasis on studying and reasoning rather than on practical or technical skills. So in academia, the teachers and professors emphasizes for studying and reasoning. This is a base for the academic knowledge. And on the other hand, a practical or technical skills, this is the base for the organizational knowledge. What is organizational knowledge? Organizational knowledge is a sum of all kind of knowledge contained within an organization that can provide business value. It is available in the form of rules, regulations, policies, SOPs, processes, formulations, production schedules, qualities and skills, etc. More, it is a practical knowledge or technical skills available in the organization. Just like in previous slide, we taught you that the academic knowledge is more concerned about the studying and reasoning, whereas the academic knowledge, the organizational knowledge, is more concerned about the practical knowledge or technical skills available within the organization. Now, these are the differences between academic knowledge and organizational knowledge. Academic knowledge is more useful for academia. Academia means schools, colleges, universities, whereas the organizational knowledge is more useful for professionalism. Academic knowledge is explicit knowledge. Organizational knowledge is tacit as well as explicit knowledge. Academic knowledge is more involved learning, whereas organizational knowledge is more involved management within the organization. Academic knowledge is less competitive, whereas in organizational knowledge, organizational knowledge is a high level ingredient for the competition among the organizations. Here the leader and followers relationship existing in the form of teachers and students in academia, whereas in contrast in organizations the leader and followers relation existed in the form of boss and subordinate. Academic knowledge is knowledge creation, whereas organizational knowledge is knowledge utilization. Academic knowledge is having less technological involved, whereas in organizations high level of technologies are involved. Academic knowledge add in body of knowledge. In contrast, organizational knowledge add in a list of products or services. Academic knowledge create skillful HR for the organizations. Organizational knowledge create areas for the academia to produce HR. Academic knowledge is globally linked. Organizational knowledge is globally competitive. Academic knowledge, in academic knowledge, students learn, whereas organizational knowledge is based on customer satisfaction. Academic knowledge is non-commercial analysis or examinations, whereas organizational knowledge is based on commercial analysis or examination. So these are the 12 major differences between the academia and the organizational knowledge. In the next lectures, we will describe you the 4 types of knowledge, and then there are a conclusive lectures about what is the empirical research and what is research based evidence. You are requested to please subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.